Hello, here is complete solution for class 4, subject English, lesson number 11, Manish and the baby bird. New words, everyday, हर रोज, unable, असमर्थ, strange, विचित्र, perhaps, शायद, pick up, उठाना, carefully, सावधानी से, together, एक साथ, wave, संकेत करना, returned, लौटना, climbed, ऊपर चढ़ना. Second, read and write. Answer these questions. Question number 1. How old is Manish? Answer. Manish is 8 years old. Question number 2. How did Manish stop near the tree? Answer. Manish stopped near a tree to take some rest. Question number 3. What did Manish see under the tree? Answer. Manish saw a baby bird under the tree. Question number 4. Why did Manish help the baby bird? Answer. Manish was very kind, so he helped the baby bird. Question number 5. How did the mother bird thank Manish? Answer. The mother bird sang a song to thank Manish. Number 6. The story is about Manish and a bird. B. Write true or false against each sentence below. Number 1. Manish went away when he found the baby bird under the tree. False. Statement is wrong. Manish वापस bird के पास गया, वहाँ से भागा नहीं. Second. Manish looked up and saw a nest on the tree. True. Third. The baby bird was small but could fly. Wrong statement. Could not fly. False. Number 4. There are 2 baby birds in the story. False. There are total 3 baby birds in the story. 2 are sitting on the nest and 1 has fallen down. Fifth. The mother bird gave a fruit to thank Manish. False. Mother bird sang a song for Manish. Let's talk. Number 1. Do you ever help animals? Answer. Yes, we help animals. Question number 2. Why do you help them? Answer. It is our social responsibility to help everyone. है ना? We are living in a society. जहाँ भी हम रहते हैं, animals also live there, like street cows, street dogs, birds. ये सारे animals हमारे आसपास रहते हैं, and it is our duty to take care of everyone, those who are living around us. तो हम उन्हें टाइमली क्या करते हैं? खाना देते हैं, पानी देते हैं, छत में जाके चिड़िया के लिए भी दाने रखते हैं, और हम उनको हार्म भी नहीं करते किसी कारण से. उनको मारना, फटकारना, ये सब काम हम नहीं करते. तो दीज आर सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ वी आर फॉलोइंग फॉर देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हाउ डू यू हेल्प देम? आंसर. बाय गिविंग फूड एंड वाटर ऑन टाइम वी हेल्प देम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Do you have pets at home? Answer. Yes, I have a pet dog in my home. His name is Sheru. Question number 5. Are people kind to pets? Answer. Yes, people are kind to pets. Question number 6. How do you feel when you help someone? Answer. We feel happy when we help someone. Vocabulary. First, arrange the words alphabetically as given in a dictionary, then find the meaning of them from the dictionary. So here are the words arranged in alphabetical form: able, care, every, perhaps, strange, together, wave. And their meanings are able, योग्य, समर्थ, care, देखभाल, every, सभी, perhaps, शायद, strange, विचित्र, together, एक साथ, wave, संकेत करना. Next question B. Write the opposite of the following words: near, far, big, small, come, go, happy, sad, under, above, up, down. Now think that you are a baby bird. You are describing your experience to your mother. Fill in the blanks using the words given. Mother, do you know I fell down? By mistake, feel is written fell. I fell down from the nest. Manish came and picked me up and put me back into the nest. I'm very happy now. I thanked him for his help. My brothers also thanked Manish. Everybody should be like Manish. Structure in context. A. Read the paragraph carefully and change the sentences into present tense. So here it is for you. Manish is 8-year-old. He goes to school every day. One day on his way back home, he stopped near a tree to take some rest. There he saw a baby bird under a tree. It was very small and unable to fly. It was making a strange sound. Perhaps it was crying. Next, read the story carefully and write a number in the box to show the correct order of the sentences. So here it is done. First will be Manish stopped near a tree on his way back home. Manish saw a baby bird under the tree. Next, third one, Manish picked up the baby bird. Fourth, Manish climbed the tree. Fifth, Manish put the baby bird in its nest. Sixth, the mother bird sang a song to thank Manish. So story is completed. Fun time. Use the picture to complete the puzzle. Pigeon, fish, snake, elephant, hen.